Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to turn your Figma designs into code using Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Shadcn. I'll guide you through everything from setting up your project, organizing your files, and creating components that look exactly like your Figma design. Even if you've struggled with converting designs into real code before, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to take a design and turn it into a fully functional, responsive website. I'll also share some tips to make your workflow faster and cleaner, so you spend less time on repetitive tasks and more time building amazing projects. So stick around, follow along, and let's get started. First thing we want to do is open our project in the editing page. Then right-click on the button we want to convert, then an option appears where we find the one that says Copy/Paste As. Then we will hover over it and another option appears where we again hover over Copy As Code. Then another option appears where we click the one that says CSS All Layer. Once we've copied the CSS for all layers, we can go back to our code editor and open the file where we want this button to appear. Then we simply paste the code inside our component. After pasting, we can make small adjustments if needed, like renaming classes or tweaking styles, so it fits perfectly with the rest of our design. This way, what we see in Figma matches exactly in our website, and we don't have to manually recreate every detail. It's a huge time saver and makes our workflow much smoother. Now that we've converted our Figma design into code, you can see how much faster it is to bring your ideas to life without manually recreating every element. Using Next.js with Tailwind CSS and Shadcn really helps keep your code clean and organized. A good tip is to break your design into smaller components first, like buttons, cards, or sections. This makes it much easier to manage, reuse, and tweak later without messing up the rest of your page. Also, don't worry if your first attempt doesn't match the design perfectly. You can always adjust the Tailwind classes or component props in Shadcn to get everything looking exactly right. The more you practice this workflow, the faster and more confident you'll get. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.